Alright, here's how you can make a payment. First off, you need to go to the Digital Homey website and click the hamburger menu, the three lines above, click online course, and then wait for it to load. Scroll down, look for Facebook ads basic to advanced, and then wait for it to load. Scroll down again, and then click the join button. Now, once you click the join button, you'll be prompted to sign up via Facebook or sign up via Google. So I chose sign up via Google account. Now, once you have clicked the sign up button via Google account, wait for it to load. And then all you need to do is choose via PayPal or cash payment options. Now, under cash payment options, you have two options. You can send via GCash number stated on the above, or you can send via bank transfer. Now, the instructions is also there. All you need to do is complete the payment and take a screenshot of your payment and send it to our Facebook page. Now, once you're able to do that, click the email, put in your email address, click the buy now button, and then wait for it to load. Now, once you're able to do that, all you need to do is you have to wait for the notification that says you'll be notified once your payment is confirmed. Go to your GCash account, send money, click Express Send, and type in the mobile number 0927 827 5365. Now, once you're able to do that, put in the amount 1,499 and then click Send. Wait for the email notification that says your payment has been confirmed.